Welcome back, traders! It's Dr. Yury Safronau here, also known as Professor Forex. Searching for a trustworthy Forex and CFD broker? Wondering if IUX is the real deal? You are in the right place. Today we're diving deep into everything IUX offers in 2025, from spreads and platforms to regulation and security. Whether you're a Forex newbie or a crypto scalper, stick around for our honest breakdown. Short on time? Use the chapters below to jump to specific sections. But trust me, you'll want to hear the full scoop. Let's dive in. Let's start with a snapshot of IUX. Launched in 2016, IUX, formerly IUX Markets, is a global CFD broker with entities in South Africa, Australia, Mauritius, and St. Vincent and the Grenadines, not Cyprus as some may assume. With over 650,000 active traders and a staggering 1.1 trillion in monthly trading volume as of October 2025, IUX is a major player, especially in Asia, Africa, and Latin America. They offer 250 CFDs across Forex, commodities, stocks, indexes, cryptocurrencies, and thematic indexes. Standout feature? Ultra-high leverage up to 3000, which is perfect for amplifying gains but risky for the unprepared, so trade wisely. Want to try IUX? Check the account opening link in the description section. Trust is everything in trading, and IUX delivers solid credentials. They are regulated by Financial Sector Conduct Authority (FSCA) in South Africa. Under IUX Markets AU Pty Limited, IUX is regulated by Australian Securities and Investment Commission (ASIC). The broker is regulated by the Financial Services Commission (FSC) in Mauritius and by St. Vincent and the Grenadines Financial Services Authority (FSA). ASIC and FSCA provide strong oversight, while FSC and FSA are lighter but still enforce compliance. IUX enhances trust with segregated client funds at Tier 1 banks, negative balance protection, and up to €20,000 in dispute resolution via the Financial Commission. Security is top-notch with 256-bit SSL encryption, two-factor authentication, and PCI DSS compliance. On our trust scale, IUX earns a solid 8 out of 10 for its robust protections. When it comes to trading, costs can make or break your long-term profitability. Even a fraction of a pip saved per trade adds up if you're trading frequently. IUX has designed its fee structure to be competitive and transparent, which makes it stand out among Forex and CFD brokers. Let's break down each account type, real-world spreads, and the little details that keep costs low. Standard account is beginner-friendly. There is no commission. Spreads start from 0.2 pips. Minimum deposit is just $10. This account is perfect for newcomers or casual traders. Their low entry deposit means you can test the platform without a big financial commitment. With no commissions and decent spreads, beginners can practice trading while keeping costs manageable. For example, if you trade EUR/USD, you might see spreads as low as 0.6 pips. That's a fair deal considering you don't pay any extra commissions. Pro account is for active traders. There is no commission, spreads start from 0.1 pip, minimum deposit is $500. This account is perfect for traders who are past the beginner stage and want better pricing. The Pro account is a good upgrade. You get tighter spreads compared to the standard account, but still enjoy a commission-free setup. For example, if you're day trading gold, spreads average at 0.9 pips here, which is highly competitive compared to many brokers charging both spreads and commissions. Pro account is scalper's choice. Commission is $7 per lot round turn. Spreads starting from 0 pips. Minimum deposit is $500. This account is built for scalpers, high-frequency traders, or anyone who wants the absolute tightest spreads. While you do pay a $7 commission per lot, the razor-thin spreads more than make up for it if you are trading during volatile events like crypto pumps or Forex news releases. For example, on Brent oil, average spreads hover around 0.5 pips, which is excellent considering oil's volatility. Deposits and withdrawals are quick and free. Processing time ranges from 2 to 10 minutes. They accept bank cards, e-wallets like Gcash, and local transfers. There are no fees. There is a huge plus for traders who hate waiting days to get their money. Most transactions are near instant, and IUX doesn't charge you for deposits or withdrawals. Many brokers sneak in fees here, so this is a clear win. Unlike some brokers who charge you for not trading, IUX lets you take a break without penalties. That's especially useful if you trade seasonally or just want to step away for a while. IUX offers up to 3,000 leverage, one of the highest leverage offerings in the market. It can supercharge profits, but it also magnifies losses. If you're new, don't dive into the deep end. Start small and use leverage wisely. Considering the low spreads and no commissions on standard and pro accounts and tight spreads on raw account, free funding and withdrawals, and no inactivity fees, I'd rate IUX fee structure 8 out of 10. The only reason it doesn't get a perfect 10 is because the raw account still has that $7 commission per lot, which is normal in the industry, but some ultra-low cost brokers go slightly lower. IUX offers one of the most trader-friendly cost setups in the market. Whether you're a beginner, active trader, or scalper, there is an account that keeps your trading affordable and efficient. IUX offers 3 powerful platforms: MetaTrader 5, IUX WebTerminal, and IUX Trade App. MetaTrader 5 is a pro-level platform with level 2 pricing, 80 indicators, 7 order types, and tools like margin calculators and trailing stops. Available on desktop, web, and mobile, it's ideal for algorithmic forex trading or crypto analysis. IUX WebTerminal requires no downloads and 0.1 seconds loading. It offers 30 milliseconds execution and 100 indicators. It also features OCO orders, real-time PNL, and 256-bit encryption, which is perfect for quick forex or crypto trades on any device. IUX Trade App is available on iOS and Android. It offers 30 milliseconds execution, multi-timeframe charts, one-click trading, and auto-trading strategy builders. With 128-bit SSL security and real-time alerts, it's great for scalping or monitoring crypto pumps on the go. Both platforms support 250 instruments and deliver seamless execution. We rate IUX platforms 9 out of 10 for their speed, flexibility, and beginner-to-pro appeal. Alright traders, let's talk about the toys you get to play with on IUX. Whether you're a forex fanatic, a crypto chaser, or a stock market strategist, the instruments you can trade are the heart of any broker. IUX serves up a hefty menu of over 250 CFDs, spanning multiple asset classes. It's like walking into a trading buffet. There is something for everyone, from classic currency pairs to trendy thematic indexes. Let's break it down so you know exactly what's on offer, how it fits your trading style, and why it matters. Buckle up for the full tour. IUX 250 CFDs covers 6 key categories, giving you plenty of ways to diversify your portfolio. Here is the detailed rundown. If you live up for the peep life, IUX has you covered with a robust selection of currency pairs. You get major pairs, like Euro, Dollar, averaging at tight 0.6 pips. Dollar Japanese yen and British pound dollar, which are perfect for traders who love liquid, high volume markets with low spreads. Minor pairs like Australian Canadian dollar or New Zealand dollar Japanese yen, offering opportunities to branch out without the wild swings of exotics. With leverage up to 3,000, even small moves can mean big gains or losses. These range suits scalpers chasing quick pips, swing traders riding trends, or anyone hedging global events. Want to trade this stuff that powers the world? IUX offers CFDs on commodities and energies, including gold with spreads at 0.9 pips, which is favored for hedging against inflation or market turmoil. Brent oil with spreads at 0.2 pips, you can capitalize on oil price swings tied to geopolitical news or supply shifts. Other commodities like silver, natural gas, and even more, giving you ways to diversify beyond currencies. These are ideal for traders who want to balance their portfolio or speculate on real-world events like OPEC meetings or economic shifts. The tight spreads make it cost-effective, especially for frequent traders. Love the buzz of Wall Street but don't want to own shares outright? IUX offers CFDs on over 150 leading US stocks, including tech titans like Apple, Tesla, Alphabet, and more. Blue chips and beyond, from Amazon to smaller cap names, there is a variety to match your strategy. The kicker? 0% commission and access to extended hours trading, pre-market and post-market hours let you jump on price movements outside regular sessions. Perfect for day traders or those betting on corporate news without the hassle of owning actual stocks. Want to trade entire markets without picking individual stocks? IUX index CFDs let you speculate on benchmarks like S&P 500, which is a bet on a pulse of US markets. Germany 40, top into Europe's economic powerhouse. Wall Street US 30, ride the Dow Jones big swings. With tight spreads and low commissions, indexes are great for traders who want broad exposure to sectors like tech or finance without diving into single stocks. Think of it as trading the mood of the market, which is perfect for macro-focused traders. Crypto traders, this one is for you. IUX offers over 70 crypto CFDs, so you can go long or short without needing a digital wallet. Highlights include majors like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Trade the kings of the crypto on 24/7 market. Altcoins from Ripple to Cardano, there is plenty to explore. Crypto 10 Index, a single trade for diversified exposure to the top 10 cryptocurrencies, which is ideal for spreading risk without juggling multiple coins. With crypto's wild volatility, think ETF approvals or Elon's tweets, these CFDs let you profit from price swings, whether up or down. Scalpers and news traders will love the flexibility. Here is where IUX gets futuristic. The thematic index CFDs let you bet on hot sectors without picking individual stocks. Among examples, I can name AI revolution, exposure to companies driving artificial intelligence. Green energy, ride the wave of sustainable tech like solar and wind. Market disruptors, think innovative firms shaking up industries. These equity baskets are like ETFs but with CFD flexibility, competitive pricing and leverage up to 3,000. Perfect for traders who want to capitalize on megatrends without the research grind. This lineup means IUX caters to a wide range of traders. Beginners who start with major forex pairs and prefer the standard account's low $10 entry fee to dip their toes in. Scalpers who choose tight spreads and 30 milliseconds execution. Diversifiers who mix forex, crypto, and thematic indexes to spread the risk or chase multiple trends. trend riders who prefer thematic indexes and commodities, which led them to tap into global shifts like AI growth or oil price spikes. Real-world example: imagine you're trading gold at 0.9 pips during a US Federal Reserve rate hike. Tight spreads keep your costs low while you hedge inflation. Or you're shorting Bitcoin CFDs after a regulatory crackdown. No wallet needed. IUX range gives you the tool to adapt to any market vibe. Is it enough? At 250 instruments, IUX selection isn't the largest. Some brokers offer more than 500 CFDs, but it's well curated for most traders. Whether you're scalping Forex, riding crypto waves, or betting on AI's rise, there is enough here to build a solid strategy. If you're a niche trader chasing obscure assets, you might want more variety. But for most retail traders, this hits the sweet spot. We're giving IUX tradable instruments an 8 out of 10. Why? The range is diverse, covering Forex, commodities, stocks, indexes, crypto, and trendy thematic indexes with competitive pricing and high leverage for flexibility. It loses a few points for not having the broadest selection, but for beginners to pros, IUX delivers a universal trader-friendly lineup that's hard to beat. IUX customer support is designed to keep your trading smoothly, no matter the time zone or issue. They offer multiple channels to suit your style, plus self-service tools for quick fixes. Here's what you get. Live chart. IUX live chart is available 24/7 on their website and trade app. It's like having the trading buddy on speed dial. Whether you're troubleshooting a stock order or need clarity on crypto CFD, their team responds in real time, often in seconds. Email. For less urgent questions like account setup or leverage options, email IUX at support@iux.com. They promise replies within 24 hours, but in my experience, responses often land in just a few hours. Phone. Sometimes you just want to hear a human voice. IUX offers direct phone support, connecting you to knowledgeable representatives who can tackle everything from platform errors to withdrawal delays. Self-service. IUX has FAQs, app alerts, and educational resources for quick answers. IUX customer support earns a 9 out of 10. The 24/7 availability, multiple channels, live chart, email, phone, in-person support, and multilingual team make it a lifeline for global traders. IUX brings a lot to the table with lightning-fast execution, low costs, and a diverse range of CFDs. But it's not perfect for everyone. Let's find out the pros and cons of IUX. IUX has some serious firepower that makes it stand out in the crowded world of Forex and crypto brokers. Here is why traders are buzzing about it. Lightning-fast execution. 30 milliseconds order execution for scalpers and day traders. Low costs. 0 commissions on standard and pro accounts, and spreads starting from 0 pips on raw accounts. Low entry. $10 minimum deposit for standard accounts. Swap-free accounts, which are ideal for Islamic traders. Diverse instruments. 250 CFDs across Forex, crypto, and thematic indexes. Flexible platforms. MT5, WebTerminal, and Trade app for all trading styles. Strong security. Safeguarded funds, 256-bit encryption, and negative balance protection. Multiple payment methods. Fee-free deposits and withdrawals via cards, e-wallets, and local transfers. No broker is perfect, and IUX has a few limitations to consider before you dive in. High leverage risks. Leverage up to 3,000 can amplify losses, especially for beginners. Restricted countries. The broker is unavailable in the US, UK, European Union, Canada, Japan, Malaysia, and Ukraine. They don't support MT4, a downside for traders loyal to MetaTrader 4. So is IUX your next broker? Here is the recap. IUX is a powerhouse for forex and crypto traders, offering ultra-tight spreads, up to 3,000 leverage and 250 instruments. Its MT5, WebTerminal and Trade app deliver fast execution and robust tools for all levels. With multi-jurisdictional regulations, segregated funds and top-tier security, IUX is a trusted choice. The $10 minimum deposit and fee-free transactions make it accessible, while swap-free accounts cater to Islamic traders. Downsides? High leverage is risky for newbies. MT4 isn't available and it's restricted in major markets like the US and European Union. Overall, we rate IUX 8 out of 10. If you're outside restricted countries and want low costs, fast execution and diverse CFDs, IUX is a strong contender. Ready to trade with IUX? Click the link in the description to sign up and explore their offerings. Loved this review? Hit subscribe for more broker breakdowns, trading tips and market insights. Good luck and we'll see you in the next video.